Hello my babies! Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. I have exciting news. Mama Swole had a TikTok that finally went freaking viral, baby. That's right. So if anyone wants me to sign some autographs, you got some protein you want me to sign, I got you. So I've been kind of waiting for this moment for like a minute now for something of mine. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. Something to just pop off. And it finally happened. I figured I'd make this video to talk about it because it's kind of funny how many people were upset by this TikTok that I made. So first of all, like, it was just a joke. It was a complete joke. But one thing that I've learned is that the internet does not understand sarcasm or humor or like anything. And I actually got the idea from Bradley Martin because he posted this video on the Zoo Culture TikTok. He just makes it look like he's about to jump on these boxes, but he never actually does it. And I just thought it was funny. So I was like, yo, what if I did that like with bench press? Like act like I'm about to bench press something crazy, like 315. Something that I obviously cannot do. So here it is. We posted it. I asked this guy to spot me. It went off, man. I feel really valid and special, and my life has meaning to it now. Because that's the world we live in these days. Maybe some of you are here from this TikTok, so if you're here, welcome to the Swole Squad, baby. Happy to have you here. Also, before I even get into this, you should probably follow me on TikTok if you haven't already. My name on there is Mama_Swole. Let's talk about it, shall we? This might be a little bit hard because some of these comments hurt my soul. I'm just kidding. They didn't really. Like, with TikTok, for some reason, it's a lot easier for me to deal with negative comments because I'm like, it's fucking TikTok, bro. Like, I do not take TikTok seriously. Let's just read through some of these, shall we? Okay, this one I didn't understand. What version of word on the street is this? What does that mean? Can somebody tell me in the comments below what that means? Because I don't understand that. This one has a lot of likes. What? I was about to stop lifting forever if you did this. That's it. I'm doing SARMs at this point. Some of the comments I was really stoked that people were just going with it. I was like, thank you. Like, you guys get it. Like this one, phenomenal form. Haters will say she didn't get it. Great form. I said, thank you so much. I misgrooved, but I think it was decent. I know. I'm fucking funny, right? That's crazy. I do 315 like that too. I missed all 10 reps. That's how fast she is with it. Crazy fast. Someone said I was there. That was amazing. Is this the girl under every one of Jesse's videos? That's so funny that like that's what people know me for. Oh, this guy was upset. He said, why don't you show the lift? You stopped the video before the lift. Prove it. I don't believe it. I said, please believe me. He said, I believe what I see and you did not put your lift in the video. Why not? Damn, bro, that was a great lift. This guy said, I didn't see it. I said, you have to rewatch a few times. He said, now I see it. Someone said, you could easily do 320. Hit it for reps too. Brad Castleberry female edition. Lightweight. I mean, she touched the bar, that's about it. It's true, I did touch the bar. Cap, she could barely bench the bar. That's not true. LO, yeah, okay. I say 140 is her max. Prove it. She didn't lift it, and I don't believe it. If she could've, she would've. Cap. Stop the cap right now. Hard to believe without showing the whole video. Well, that's 30 seconds I'm not getting back. Never believed it on the first place. That's on me. Sorry, bro, it is on you. You could not get it off the rack if your life depends on it. Serious. A fucking cool. Actually, if my life depended on it, I feel like I could. Because you know how people get like that superhuman strength? I feel like I probably could. So basically, if she can do that, she could rep 225. The biggest lie I've ever seen. I need that part too where I'm flagging it. I hope you didn't flag it. This guy said, don't trust any lifter that goes to the gym in swimwear. I actually like that comment. That's a good one. I didn't watch the video. I'm predicting that she will just lay on the bench and stall until the video is over. You predicted correctly. Love the dedication to get views. Thanks, Matthew. The legend says that she's still adjusting her grip till this day. That one's pretty funny. LOL. It never happened. Whatever. Dream on. Are you on some type of roids? Impressive lift, so inspiring. I really like this one. I was about to just quit if you lifted 315 with a suicide grip. Guys, I actually lift with the suicide grip all the time, and I know that's not good to do, but it feels better on my thumbs. So that's why I do it. No, she did not. Not with those arms and chest. Fuck you. Hit me every time I see the suicide grip. That's funny. Try it without someone helping you lift the weight. LOL. They didn't even help me. I didn't even lift it, period, bro. Still waiting for you to actually do it. And tell your trainer to only put a finger on it. That's not how you're supposed to spot. Damn, you and Brad Castleberry would make a cute couple. Okay, This guy's all caps, so he's big mad. Okay, this might be a jolting shock to all you delusional snowflakes out there, but you can't just put weight on a bar and say you did it. Are you guys dying? I'm fucking dying over here. No lift occurred during the making of this vid. Lame. This guy said, I'm all about positivity. I would love to see that keep up the hard work gains, but let's see the lift. As you can see, people were pretty upset and like did not understand that it's a fucking joke, but I think it's really funny. That is the story of my viral TikTok. I guess I would call it viral, would you? It was so entertaining and I got like the biggest high. If any of you have ever had something of yours go off like that, like kind of pop off, it literally feels like you just took a drug. I'm obviously down from it now, but yeah, it was fun while it lasted. It was actually hilarious. And shout out to everybody that left a comment and took the time to watch it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Get your merch. Merch link is in the description. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I have workout programs on MamaSwole.com. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress, bitch. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel, even if your name is random. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.